14 civilians and a soldier were killed in Nagaland's Mon district over the weekend after a botched counterinsurgency observation post triggered a clash with furious villagers. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today told the parliament that the centre regretted the deaths of 14 civilians in Nagaland after a botched army op. Mr. Shah read out statements in both the houses as opposition MPs shouted objections and demanded repeal of AFSPA. Government of India expresses regrets over the incident and condolences to those killed. A SIT has been formed and has been directed to complete investigation in a month. Situation is tense but under control. All agencies have to ensure such incidents do not happen in future, Amit Shah told the Lok Sabha. An hour later, he read out a similar statement in the Rajya Sabha as the opposition MPs screamed, "This won't do." The centre has examined the situation and reached the conclusion the incidents such as this, where innocent villagers were killed, shouldn't be repeated, said Mr. Amit Shah. As he spoke and as the lower house colleagues had done, opposition Rajya Sabha MPs kept up a steady din demanding a debate on AFSPA and the Nagaland violence. They also protested the suspension of 12 of their colleagues for the winter session. In the Lok Sabha, after Amit Shah made his statement, opposition MPs protested his perfunctory speech and reiterated demands for a discussion as well as repeal of the contentious AFSPA. In protest, MPs from the Congress, the DMK, the Samajwadi Party, the PSP and the NCP walked out.
शाम में लगभग 250 लोगों की उद्वेलित भीड़ ने मौन शहर में असम राइफल की कंपनी ऑपरेटिंग बेस पर तोड़फोड़ की। भीड़ ने सीओबी के मकान में आग लगाई, जिसके उपरांत असम राइफल की टुकड़ी को भीड़ को तितर-बितर करने के लिए गोली चलानी पड़ी। इसके कारण एक और नागरिक की मृत्यु हो गई और एक अन्य घायल हो गया। प्रभावित क्षेत्र में किसी और अप्रिय घटना को रोकने के लिए अतिरिक्त बलों की तैनाती कर दी गई है। सेना की 3 कोर मुख्यालय द्वारा एक प्रेस वक्तव्य जारी किया गया है, जिसमें निर्दोष नागरिकों की दुखद मृत्यु के घटनाक्रम पर अत्यधिक दुख सेना द्वारा व्यक्त किया गया है।
Amit Shah, however, did not clarify the centre planned to give permission to prosecute those members of the armed forces protected under AFSPA involved in the killings. This morning, the Prime Minister met with senior members of his cabinet, including Amit Shah, to discuss the situation and the centre's response. The centre has been attacked over the civilians' death amid strong demands, including by the Nagaland and Meghalaya Chief Ministers, that AFSPA be repealed. Nagaland Chief Minister Nepiu Rayo, whose NDPP is an ally of the BJP, slammed the centre for extending AFSPA. Opposition to AFSPA and the civilians' death also came from Assam, where too the law is in force. Veteran CPM leader Himen Das called it state terrorism. Assam Jatiya Parishad's General Secretary Jagdish Bhuiya said should scrap AFSPA and allow Northeast people to live as dignified citizens of the country. 14 villagers and a soldier died in Nagaland's Mon district over the weekend after an army observation post went horribly wrong. A police FIR has said that the Army's 21 para-special forces blankly opened fire. The Army yesterday expressed department regret for the unfortunate loss of lives and said the matter would be investigated at the highest level. Bureau Report, Halabod.